What is up, man? Today we're gonna be installing the steering wheel for the Redeye. Finally, I've had this thing for like about a month or two. Haven't got to install it, but today we're finally gonna go ahead and do that. Recently got the car paint corrected, so it's not dirty no more. This is by far the most frustrating thing I've ever done, man. Been here for an hour, and I finally took one side off. Took this side off, but this side is being a bitch. Can't find the little spring to push it in. It's freaking annoying. Alright, so we finally got this shit off. It was a pain in the ass. Basically, you gotta find this little spring right there. See if I can point it out while holding the camera. It's this right there. That. And while I was doing that, I was scratching this up, so that sucks. So we took the airbag off, and whenever you're doing this, you're gonna have to use a pretty thick flathead screwdriver, because I was trying it with this one. I was trying it with this little one, and it would just go through and scratch all this right here. It wasn't getting this, because it was, the chances of getting that is pretty hard with this little screwdriver. So you're gonna need a little bit fatter flathead to be able to get that, unless you got really good aim. I don't know. It took me 2 hours. Felt like 2 hours. I don't know. Probably like an hour to get it off. So, all right. So now we just need to take this bolts off. It's a T55 to take off the steering wheel. Well, guys, after finally going to the store twice, went to Ace Hardware to try and look for a bolt for the back pieces over here, because I guess they don't supply you with that. But I ended up not even finding one. I just took one out of here and it actually worked. So finally, as you can see, it's dark. Been dealing with this all freaking day. I didn't even record everything. I took everything apart, put it to this steering wheel, and we finally wired it up. One thing that's bugging me is this. I don't know why this is not turning on when I put it in there, but we'll figure that out later. But yeah, finally lit up. Psych. What the fuck? It literally just lit up. Now what's the problem? Wow. It literally had just turned on. So I got scared because it wasn't turning on. Well, it wasn't staying on when I plugged it in. But I guess whenever you plug it in, it turns on real quick, just to make sure, just to let you know that it did get the power. And then once you turn it on, it stays on. So it is powered up and everything. Now we just gotta wrap it up with electrical tape and put back the airbag and stuff. So once I go ahead and finish off with that, I'll get back and record.
Several days later,
I heat shrinked them together. The power in the ground, I heat shrinked it. I ended up not using this because this part on the original airbag lights up. I took off the cover and everything, and it's super hard to take off that. Take this off. I want to keep the little red light that glows at night, so I'm not gonna go ahead and use this one because in order to transfer that, you gotta, so it's very difficult. So we're not gonna go ahead and use that. We're just gonna go ahead and pop this one back in and just rock. So we're gonna go ahead and just connect the airbag back up, and it should work. So okay, we were able to get it on. It's a pain in the ass because it didn't want to pop back in, but we got it. It looks really good. Looks really good. Alright, so now we're just gonna connect the battery back up. Bro, if this don't got no power, I'm gonna get mad. Real shit. Yes, sir. Bro, that shit looks mean. Reading the RPM right, so we're good. We're Gucci on that, man. Holy crap, man, it looks mean. Definitely gonna have to take the steering wheel back off because I am gonna get these pieces forged carbon fiber just like this. I should have had them, but the company that I got it from, they messed up on my order and it got delayed, so they got to remake my pieces. But that'll be in probably like next 2 weeks or so. So definitely look out for that, because that's definitely gonna change the whole steering wheel. I don't like this. It'd be good if it was black, but yeah. Then also I'm probably gonna paint this black. So yeah. Holy fuck, man. Let me go the fuck back home, man. Let me go back home before I get in trouble. I'm gonna end up getting a fucking ticket or arrested.